If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Prairie Girl Shoulder or Crossbody Bag by Emmaline Bags Patterns. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So this bag can be made with two different strap options. This one I have done as a shoulder strap. You could also make it as a crossbody strap. It has two zipper compartments on the top that are really nice and big and roomy. Not a super big bag, that's hard to say, but definitely can hold all of the essentials and more. Look how wonderful that looks. Best part about this is this front pocket here acts as a wallet, so you don't even have to carry a wallet. So when you open it up, you have believe it or not, one, two, trying to count here. 1, 2, 3. You have 12 card slots. Just one on this, 6 on this side, 6 on this side, with 2 large slip pocket areas and a zipper pocket as well. It is amazing you can do it in pretty much anything that you like, but this pocket is great for accenting a really fun print if you like to. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.